Food can do more than just fill your stomach. It can actually affect how you feel. You might not realize it, but what you eat can have a big impact on your mental well-being. It's like a secret relationship between your food and your mood. Now I get it. When you're feeling down in the dumps, the last thing you want to do is change your whole diet. I mean, some days it's a struggle just to drag yourself out of bed, let alone make healthy food choices. And let's be honest, chomping on a carrot stick isn't exactly going to magically make your anxiety disappear. But here's the good news. Even small changes to your diet can make a difference. You don't have to be a health nut or give up your favorite foods. There are plenty of tasty options out there that can actually help boost your mood. Let me tell you about a couple of them. Number 1, walnuts. These little guys are like brain food. Nuts in general are packed with good stuff like healthy fats and protein, but walnuts are extra special because they're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like superheroes for your brain. They've been shown to help with depression, so they're a great choice if you're feeling a bit down. Number 2, fermented foods. Now I know what you're thinking. Fermented, that doesn't sound very appetizing, but hear me out. Fermented foods like plain yogurt, kombucha, and sauerkraut are packed with probiotics, which are like tiny soldiers that help keep your gut healthy. And guess what? Your gut and your brain are connected in ways we're only starting to understand. Taking care of your gut can actually boost your mood by supporting the production of those feel-good chemicals in your brain. Number 3, cherry tomatoes. These small red treats are packed with a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which fights off those pesky mood swings and depression. Now I know the tomato section at the grocery store can be overwhelming, but cherry tomatoes are the winners here. They've got the highest skin-to-tomato ratio, meaning you get more of that beneficial lycopene. Plus, they're bite-sized and perfect for snacking on the go. Number 4, leafy greens. Remember all those times you were forced to eat your greens as a kid? Well, it turns out your parents were onto something. Leafy greens are like superheroes for your brain. They're packed with natural anti-inflammatories that help keep your brain in tip-top shape. These greens are like nutrient powerhouses, loaded with all kinds of vitamins and minerals that other foods can only dream of. So go ahead and gobble up those greens. They'll give you a mental boost. Number 5, apples. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the blues away. And guess what? It keeps anxiety at bay too. Apples are not only tasty, but they're also rich in soluble fiber that helps keep your blood sugar levels steady, which can have a positive effect on your mood. And let's be honest, apples are way more appealing than a plate of spinach, right? They're like mood-boosting bombs. Number 6, beans. Beans, they're good for your mood. These little guys are full of fiber, protein, and a bunch of other good stuff. But here's the real magic. They contain B vitamins that help increase the levels of neurotransmitters in your brain, which are like messengers that regulate your mood. So load up on those beans and let the good vibes roll. Number 7, berries. Get ready for a burst of color and flavor with berries. Those vibrant hues you see in berries are thanks to anthocyanidins, which are like natural mood stabilizers. They put the brakes on cortisol, the stress hormone, and help you feel calmer. Berries are also packed with antioxidants, which boost your immune system and fight off those pesky free radicals. And guess what? They even give your brain a boost, helping you feel brighter and happier. Hold on tight, because we're about to dive into 3 more mood-boosting foods. Number 8, oats. Now, oats may not be the most glamorous breakfast option, but they sure have some incredible benefits. Not only are they known for lowering cholesterol, but they also work wonders for your mood. You see, oats have a low glycemic index, which means they release energy into your bloodstream slowly. This helps stabilize your blood sugar levels and keeps your mood on an even keel. So skip the sugar-filled cereals and donuts and opt for a comforting bowl of oatmeal instead. Your taste buds might not do a happy dance, but your mood sure will. Number 9, mushrooms. Okay, I know mushrooms can be a bit divisive. Some people love them and others, well, not so much. But before you write them off, let me tell you why they're great for your mental health. First off, mushrooms are like little champions when it comes to blood sugar and insulin regulation. They help keep things stable, which can have a positive impact on your mood. But that's not all. Mushrooms also act as prebiotics, which means they feed the good bacteria in your gut. And guess what? The majority of serotonin, that feel-good chemical, is produced in your gut. So munch on some mushrooms and let them kick your happiness into high gear. Number 10, avocados. Avocados, the beloved fruit that's packed with healthy fats. Don't let their high fat content scare you away, because these are the good fats that do wonders for your mental wellness. Avocados are like nutrient powerhouses that are often included in wholesome diets. And guess what? They're here to save the day when it comes to depression. Just like walnuts, avocados are a fantastic plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are like superheroes for your brain. They also contain oleic acid, which helps your brain function properly. So grab a spoon and dive into that creamy green goodness. It's a tasty way to boost your mood. All right, my friends, we've reached the grand finale of our mood-boosting food adventure. But wait, there's more. We've got not one, but 2 bonus foods that are here to save the day. Number 11, dark chocolate. Who would have thought that chocolate could be good for your mood? But hold on, we're not talking about any old chocolate here. Dark chocolate is the hero of the chocolate world. It's got probiotics that are like little warriors for your gut and brain, but it's loaded with antioxidants that fight off oxidative stress in your brain, which can help reduce mental stress. And wait, there's more. Dark chocolate is also packed with magnesium, which does all sorts of awesome things like protecting against inflammation, increasing blood flow in your brain, improving cognitive function, and even reducing anxiety. So go ahead and indulge in a little bit of that dark chocolate goodness. Your brain will thank you. Number 12, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkins aren't just for carving and making pie. Oh no, their seeds are like tiny mood-boosting powerhouses. These little seeds are packed with an amino acid called tryptophan, which helps your brain produce serotonin. And you know what serotonin does? It makes you feel good. The best part is that pumpkin seeds won't interfere with any medications you might be taking. In fact, they might even enhance the effectiveness of your antidepressants. So whether it's pumpkin season or not, grab some roasted, toasted, or raw pumpkin seeds and give your mood a delightful boost. And there you have it, folks, our magnificent 12 foods to fight depression and anxiety. These tasty treats are not magical cures, but they sure can make a difference in improving your mental well-being. So are you munching on enough of these mood-boosting foods? Which one is your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you had a blast with this video, don't forget to pop that magical subscribe button and watch more of our awesome videos.